Here at our setting, creating and thinking critically within maths is very important. We feel it's really important to give children that opportunity to solve the problems, to have a go and to give them scenarios of how they can solve a problem in a different way. It's important because it allows them to use their imagination to think how they would do something in a different way and just giving them the opportunities.
Maths isn't just numbers, maths isn't just shapes. We use maths every day on a day-to-day basis, whether that's learning how many cups we need to put out at snack time or just the simplest of problem solving, and that kind of helps them, gets their brains going, and it really intrigues us as to what they think will happen and how they will solve this problem.
Any activity that you set out, you can just bring maths into it. It's letting the children explore and bringing in maths within their exploration and what they're doing, and it's letting them go by their interest, and it's through their interest that you can bring it in.
We always use open-ended resources as a lot can be gained from them, so there's no set fixed outcome of what we want to gain from that activity. So children are actually thinking on the spot of how they're going to carry out something, and then the practitioners are supporting the children's learning rather than directing it. So they'll support the children's learning, say, oh, we can do it this way, or what about? So they kind of like posing the questions for them. Another way where creativity and critical thinking is actually put in throughout nursery is through places such as the mud kitchen.
With the mud kitchen, we had recipe cards and we had like a menu. So one of the children said chicken curry. So he was saying that I need to add about 5 pieces of chicken, and another child was saying that we need to add some more lemons and some peppers. So we were looking at the quantity, or how much, is it half full, is it half empty, how much more do we need? And then we were looking at the different sizes of the pots, whether they're big, small, medium. We had a water channel activity out, so that's where the children were deciding how to get the water from one end to the other end.
The way they had to work out where were they going to stand on that blue frame, where was that water going to go through, and there was one child in particular that I saw the water wasn't going through the other channel, so the child actually went down on their knee and they put the water through the bottom channel because the channels weren't joining on, and I thought, good on you, that's a really clever way of doing it.
We've tried to do it so that maths is everywhere in the setting, and it's not just limited to one place. We've got maths in our home corner, to the water play, so all these things, creativity and critical thinking, is all part of the characteristics of effective learning.
For the last 3-4 years, we've struggled with maths in the sense that our data has shown that maths is low. But by doing this fun way, the children are learning. If we get it right at the beginning, then I feel they will have a brighter future.